Hi guys, I didn't see you for a long time because I was just a little busy, but do you know what? 960 frames per second start to be boring for me. So I was really waiting for something new, and then something new is here today. And I would like to show you how it's working 7680 frames per second. And that's really beautiful. That's something what was kicking me to my ears. Go outside and do new video.
Going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got love blind. And ooh yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby. Drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah. I'm a fool, yeah, I got love blind. And ooh yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby.
You know, today I was waiting for beautiful weather, but what's happening? Today is sunshine and cloudy, 5 minutes later, 5 minutes later, but if you're running outside, start to be cloudy. If you're going inside and waiting for sunshine, start to be sunshine. And again, so I was playing today with weather, and you know, something like half an hour ago, start to snowing. That's crazy. It's February, but still weather like April, crazy April, yes, of course. I really hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, the thumbs up will be appreciated. Thanks for watching and see you next time.